Hi there, and welcome back to our Digitalising the Insurance Industry vlog. Today I'm here with Caroline Hanan. Caroline, would you like to introduce yourself to the viewers?
Thanks, Charlie. My name is Caroline Hanan. I'm Chief Marketing Officer at VIPR Solutions, headquartered in London.
Thank you. Now, I like to jump right in, so I'm going to ask you the same 4 questions that I asked the previous guests, starting with, how is technology changing the insurance industry?
That's a really big question, Charlie, but of course, it is playing a critical role transforming the insurance industry with a real focus, I would say, on streamlining operations, enhancing the overall end-to-end customer experience, and mitigating risks. At VIPR, we have a clear objective to improve underwriting performance, operational efficiencies, and regulatory compliance. And this all contributes to the automating of the claims process and improving the world over of fraudulent claims.
Thank you. It was a very comprehensive answer for your opening gambit. So, if people don't know, VIPR is a software house that services the global insurance market. Obviously, having to keep up with this modernising, digitalising world. In your opinion, what benefits does digitalisation offer insurers?
There's a variety of benefits, really. So just recapping on that operational efficiency piece and the advanced analytics platforms, they're really facilitating better decision making and risk assessment. There's a hardening of the overall global insurance market, where we see cost reduction is really a key area of focus for all C-suite executives. By lowering administrative and operational costs, this is really contributing to the business profitability. And last but certainly not least, bring to the forefront agility and innovation. So embracing change to enable insurers to quickly adapt to the market changes and capitalize on those new opportunities. That's really important.
Thank you. I think the cost reduction piece is really key, actually, to everyone right now in the current world that we live in. The next question is quite controversial in some people's eyes, but why is it perceived that the insurance industry hasn't adapted as fast as other industries?
I think there's several factors to really consider in this aspect. Regulatory constraints, it's really highly regulated in nature within the insurance sector, and that makes it really challenging to adapt and implement new technologies swiftly. Legacy systems, big statement in the market. So many insurance companies still rely on outdated systems and processes, but it's really making sure that they can transition to a digitalized platform solution, and it's time consuming and costly sometimes for them. Resistance to change, risk averse culture that we live in this industry often hinders the adoption of innovative technologies and new ways of working. And there is a complexity attached to those new ways of working as well, with complex products and processes. Making the implementation of digital platforms can be challenging, but that's why at VIPR we do not want to reinvent the wheel, and we work through these legacy burdens and understand the complexity framework we need to work with our clients.
Thank you. I love a little plug there. So finally, the last question, what challenges do insurers face because of digital transformation?
Yeah, there's often a number of benefits. Insurers may also face these challenges, such as integration with the legacy system. So that is a real bugbear in the market, one we see over and over again, day after day, but not likely to change overnight. And that's not to be missed either. So insurers really need to ensure that new technologies can be seamlessly integrated with their existing processes and systems. That's super important, because, as I mentioned, that will not change. Data privacy and security, so handling that sensitive customer data as a provider of technology, we must always ensure a robust security piece and of kit is in place as well. And overall change management associated with the technology, so it's a cultural shift in the organizations, and that definitely can be a benefit to the modern day insurer.
Thank you very much. So If you have a legacy system with delegated authority, so within delegated authority, and you need a new insurance platform, VIPR could be the one for you. I'll leave the details above for you. Caroline, thank you so much for your insights and for your time today. It's been great talking to you. And I look forward to seeing everyone else in the next instalment of our Digitalising the Insurance Industry vlog.
Thanks for having me, Charlie.
Thanks, Caroline.